everyone, welcome back to Technique Force Learning. This video is all about Quora Stats, how to use them to review your performance. Let's get started. Quora has its own statistics tool. This is an efficient way to measure the progress of your profile. To view your statistics, click on your profile picture on the top right corner of your page. Then, on the drop-down menu, click on your content and stats. Here you have the ability to check the progress of your questions, answers, posts, or the whole content. You can also review the statistics during the last week, last 30 days, or the whole time passed on Quora. Depending on what you appoint, the statistics will give you a realistic view of your Quora presence. The total number of views, upvotes, comments, and shares will be shown. Thus, you will have a clear vision of how much you actually are growing. Here you will see your overview, presented by graphs, for your views, upvotes, comments, and shares. Scroll down and you will see your content. You can get statistics for any of these time periods for your answers to questions, of how many people have viewed your answer, how many have upvoted them on Quora, and how many have shared them with others. For questions, how many people have viewed your questions on Quora, and how many followers you have gained as a result. For shares, the number of times you shared content inside or outside of Quora. For posts, any post that you have on any Quora spaces, or all content. It adds together everything you've ever done on Quora. You can also filter your year and sort it by views, upvotes, comments, shares, or date posted. If you click on the three dots, you have the option to translate question, answer later, stop edit notifications, edit topics, edit question, downvote question, merge question, view question log, delete question, and report. Your profile stats. On Quora's site, click on your icon of your profile photo on the top right, and immediately after it opens, click on your site name provided. This will open your Quora profile, which you may wish to copy and keep for sharing on other social media. There are two stats reporting portions of your profile. On the right, under Credentials and Highlights, it will show your credentials, how many content views you have in total for all time, and the date you joined. Underneath your profile, beside the word profile, at the bottom of this example, you'll see the system will give you some great stats on answers, the actual number of questions you have officially posted an answer for. It summarizes the number to the nearest thousands as a default view. Click on it, and it will list the most viewed answers you've ever had. Next, questions, the number of questions you've ever posted on Quora. And posts, number of posting you have made on Quora Spaces. Followers, the number of followers you have. Following, the number of people you are following on Quora. Edits, no numerical data, but a list of every time you have edited an answer or comment in calendar order by date. And lastly, activity, no numerical stats, but it will show you what postings you have recently completed, however, in order based on date and time of posting. And now that you know how to navigate your stats, let me give you Quora tips and tricks. Using Quora wisely can be exceptionally beneficial. Let's dive in this tremendous list of practical tips and tricks every Quoranian can use to optimize their profiles. Number 1. Check question stats. It is the most typical mistake not to pay attention to question statistics. Some users use Quora for promotional purposes, personal branding, and marketing. Thus, they do not have a chance to do so if they do not get the wider public. How to do that? Easy. you will need to answer more read or followed questions. Logically, if you used to answer a question that has 100 views, the chances of someone big seeing your answer are slim to none. Question statistics are inside the question. On the right side of the display, a few scrolls down, the more followers and views the question has, the bigger your chances of more people seeing your answer are. Next, notify me. To many, Quora is everything, but not a platform that cares about followings. There is no denying that you can be followed or follow just a few hundreds of people, yet have a remarkable profile. It is because not only your followers see your answers, but the whole community. In cases when you find some interesting people, establish online friendships, or simply would like to see everything one person does, you can easily do that by notifying yourself. Open the profile page of the person you would like to stay updated about, and click on the bell icon next to the follow button in the description section. The bell should read Notify Me, and that should be your go-to option for important people. This way, you won't miss any of their posts or questions, which will give you the opportunity to stay an active member in their community. And there you have it, how to use Quora Stats to review your performance. And before this video ends, did you know that you can get a software that gets perfect titles, descriptions, tags, and hashtags, and tells you which keywords are hard to rank and which are easy? It can get the exact optimizations that you need to rank on number 1. You can keep collections of your favorite channels, videos, tags, and hashtags, and optimize any videos in minutes, not hours. And that is TubeRank 4. Stop being in the background and get your number 1 rankings plus traffic with TubeRank 4. It's a powerful video SEO optimization in minutes. It's the easiest YouTube ranking and traffic system invented, with just 3 steps. Step 1. Identify the keywords you want to rank. Step 2. Follow TubeRank instruction. And Step 3. Enjoy the traffic. So, try TubeRank 4 now. Go to tuberank.com. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.